Welcome all Ashita Media viewers, and this is yet another topic we are going to cover. Many of our viewers are immigrants, so they have a lot of questions on many jargons when they move to US. So we are going to cover one by one, and this will be a series of videos. We'll be publishing it fortnight or weekly based on a bandwidth. So do subscribe to our channel, Ashita Media USA YouTube channel, to get notification of all these videos when it's once it gets uploaded, and also like a Facebook page because it will be available in both the YouTube channel and the Facebook page. Today we are going to cover 401k. So what is it? As soon as you land in US, so many will have question what is 401k. So 401k is simply, we can say it as a provident fund in India. It's like PF in India. It's a retirement planning benefits given by employees in US. So there are several catches and benefits. So the thing is, let's say you decide every paycheck you divert some fund to 401k. So your employer may agree to match that fund. Let's say you are putting 3%, the employer will put 3%, and there is no income tax on the portion of the fund which you diverted to 401k. So you get a tax benefits. So there is also a cash. There is two plan, traditional and Roth plan. We'll cover that in the later part of the video. What is the difference? So when you're in traditional plan, then you don't pay income tax on the portion of the fund which you diverted from a paycheck to the 401k, and also your employee is matching. So it's a good option when employee is going to match because you're getting some extra percentage of salary from your employer via 401k match. Whereas if your employee is not matching, then in that case, I think it might not be a right option to divert your fund to 401k. Instead, you can try for other investment. So, but that so in 401k, it's a retirement fund. So till 5.5 years, 59 to sorry, till 59.5 years, you cannot withdraw the fund. When I say cannot, it's like when you withdraw the fund before that, you will have to pay penalty, and irrespective of that, at whatever time you withdraw, you will have to pay income tax on the withdrawal. So let's say because in traditional plan you pay income tax at the time of withdrawal. So let's say at 59.5 years you don't know what is the income tax bracket and all this. So you may pay end up more or pay end up no pay less. So it may depends, right? So a traditional plan you pay your income tax when on the at the time of withdrawal, whereas Roth plan you already have paid income tax. You pay income tax upfront when you're depositing the fund in 401k, and there's no tax benefit, there's no income tax benefits. You pay upfront, and then when you're withdrawing the fund, then you don't have to pay income tax on the portion of the fund which you have invested from your paycheck, but you still have to pay income tax on your employer's contribution. So the income tax have to be paid irrespective of whether you withdraw before 15.5 years or earlier. But then people may ask what is the benefit, right? And of course you pay end up paying 10% penalty if you withdraw before 15.5 years. So penalty is paid. So basically people who are on visa and don't know whether they will stay long or they'll continue. There's a lot of questions. So the ideal thing is if an employee is going to match, I think it's better to put your fund in 401k, because it's going to be a savings. And but your employer is not matching your 401k, then I think you need to take decision based on your situation. And so the thing is, so question is, okay, what will happen if I leave the country? There are many options, because even when you leave the country, you can still withdraw your 401k. But so when to withdraw the 401k? Let's say you have 100k in your 401k, then how do you plan to withdraw? So let's say it's like when you leave the country, when you made a decision to leave the country, I would say that it's better to withdraw the 401k or after you move out of US, because when you're in US you have a salary income, and then when you withdraw this 401k, so your salary income and 401k income gets added up, and you pay a lot of extra taxes, so which end up paying a lot. So rather than that, you should wait, you should wait and you should wait and you should wait and then withdraw. Like let's say you, instead of, let's say this year you decide to move out, then you wait till January or February next year and withdraw. Not the full amount, you can withdraw like 25% in a period of 3-4 years, such that each withdrawal is below the standard deduction. Then you may end up not paying much taxes. So of course you have to pay penalty, but the taxes can be controlled. So but you need to take a decision based on your necessity of the fund. So if you have patient enough, then your 401k savings is a good, because you're going to get that back when you move out of the country. But if you need any emergency, then obviously you pay up, paying more penalty. You paying up more income tax as well as penalty. But 401k is a very good retirement option if your employer is matching, and because rather than diverting the fund for expenses, you can put part of your paycheck to save for your future, and it's a good option. The decision is yours based on the situation, and don't worry that you can withdraw the fund even when you go back to India. And even if you are continuing in US, you can avail loan for buying a home, or you can avail loan for college education of your children. So basically you take the loan and you pay the monthly payment to your 401k account itself. So that way I think it's a useful fund, and it's good to have some investment in 401k. Thank you all. We'll see in another video with another topic. Thank you. Bye.
Natural pads are complete herbal sanitary pads. These are made up of natural fibers only, and these are chemical free and plastic free. These are the first sanitary pads to receive the USDA BioPreferred certification. It is available only in the US region. So if you want to buy this product, you can visit online stores like Amazon or Walmart, or you can also visit their website www.aurapads.com.